Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. So in this session, I'm going to explain how to post a customer invoice in SAP system and following by how to post a credit memo if any, whatever the goods we have received, if any defective are there, we need to post a credit memo. So, and how to make the payment in SAP system for that single invoice. So I will start with the customer invoice posting. To post the customer invoice in SAP system, we have to enter the transaction code AB70. So here I have entered the transaction code as AB70 and hit enter, and then select the customer here. Against to this company code, to select the customer, just click on F4 and then hit enter. I can see only one customer in my company code, so let me select this customer and then give the invoice date as a same date, and I'm giving the invoice reference as INV as in 00001, and then enter the amount. I'm entering the amount as 20,000, and then select the GL account. In my case, we need to select the sales revenue because we are selling the product. So let me select the relevant GL account. So here this is my sales revenue GL account, and then enter the amount 20,000, and obviously this sales GL account is primary cost and revenue. The category as a cost element category as 11 I have created, so system will look for the profit center. So let me enter the profit center for this. So here I'm entering profit center sales one, and then hit on enter. Just hit enter again, and here we can see uh, we don't have any errors. So here we can see the green mark. So before posting, if you want to see the accounting entry, just click on simulate option here. So here you can see customer has been debited with the 20,000 and sales revenue GL account has been created with the 20,000. And if everything is good, then click on post. So here we can see document 8000 was posted in company code 2009. So to display those document, click on in the header, click on the document, and then here click on display. So here we can see the same customer is debited and sales revenue GL account has been created. If you want to see the header information details, yeah, here you can see. So document type is DR customer invoice, and the entry date is 21/4, and the transaction code which we have used is AB17. Okay, to change this document, select this one, display and changes, and then click on cap here. So here we can, after posting the document in SAP system, we can only change header text and reference. Here I'm mentioning as text, and then continue and click on save. Changes have been saved. Then again, if you want to see this document, just click on display and click on header information. Here you can see the in the change mode we have updated the text. So here we can see the text here. So now I will open another session and I will show you the customer line item report, which is FPL 5N, and then my customer is 1021. So just enter the 1021 and I'm selecting the open items, then click on execute. Here we can see the 20,000. We have initiated the invoice against to this customer 20,000. We need to receive this 20,000. So we have sent the goods to the our customer. So with the amount of 20,000, and he has returned some of the goods with worth of 3,000 or 5,000. So for against to that, we need to create a credit memo. Let me go back. In the same screen, we can just click on here transaction. Here just drop down, just select the credit memo, or you can enter the transaction code AB75 to post the credit memo. So here we can see customer credit memo, and select the customer, select the date, and I'm invoice reference, I'm selecting the same invoice, and here I'm entering 5,000, and the same GL account I'm taking here, and then again enter the profit center, and then hit enter. If you want to see the accounting entry before posting, click on simulate. So here we can see customer has been created and sales revenue GL account has been debited. Now this time because we are posting a credit memo against to that customer, then that invoice. So just click on post here. So we can see here document has been posted. To display the document, click on display here, and here we can see the accounting entry, which is customer credit, and sales revenue GL account is debit. If you want to see the header and details, here we can see the document type as a DG customer credit memo, and the transaction code is AB75. Okay, so we can see the same in our customer line item report. Just refresh the screen. I'm going to refresh the screen here. So here we can see this is my original invoice DR 20,000. Against to this invoice, I have posted the DG credit memo. So now my customer need to pay 15,000. He needs to pay me. So to post incoming invoices, customer payment, we need to enter the transaction code. We need to enter the transaction code F-28. So let me open another session here. So F-28. Just give the document date, posting date, and system will automatically pick the document type and period and company code and currency here. And then here you need to select the account, and here I am entering the amount as 15,000. And let me select the customer first, 2021, and then I need to select the incoming bank GL account. Just click on F4 here. Okay, I'm going to select this incoming GL account, this one, and then hit on enter. So here we can see we have entered amount is 15,000 and assigned amount is 15,000. So there is no unassigned amount, difference is 0. In this case, if you want to post the invoice, then click on post. So here we can see document 10001 was posted in company code 2009. So here we can display the document as well. So here we can see incoming account is debit and the customer account has been created. So and the same we can check in the report. So here let me refresh the screen here. So here system is saying no items is selected. Okay, then select all items here and then click on execute. So here we can see 0. So we have posted the this is my posted document, payment document DZ 15,000. It has been nullified against the original invoice and the credit memo, so the balance is showing as 0. So this is the whole process to how to create the customer invoice and how to post the credit memo, and against to that how to make the payment in SAP system. So that's all in this session. Thank you.